Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Tuesday, July 29, 2008. According to Global Money Management, the Bank of New York Mellon has selected Michel Sidier as head of the company's Istanbul, Turkey office. Sidier was named to fill the newly created position and implement a strategy for Turkey, Israel, and Azerbaijan. Sidier will report to Hani Koblawi, the managing director of the Middle East and Africa. Sidier has been with the firm since 2001 as country manager for France. And staying with asset management news, the FT Advisor is reporting that Treasury plans to boost the competitiveness of the UK's asset management industry by introducing 3 consultation papers. The consultations follow a package of measures announced in the budget 2008. They are designed to make the UK a more competitive location for asset management, as well as advance the government's city competitiveness agenda. The UK's asset management industry is an important part of the UK economy. UK-based firms manage £3.8 trillion of assets. They also employ over 25,000 people. The consultation papers will propose the introduction of a direct tax exemption regime for the UK authorized investment funds, the removal of the tax as a barrier to qualified investor schemes by replacing the substantial holding rule, and the adaptation of the tax rules for investment trust companies to deliver tax-efficient investment into interest-bearing assets. And in more asset management news, rising inflation, a weak dollar, and the instability in the financial markets has led more investors to flock to gold. The price of gold at the end of the second quarter was $930.25 an ounce on the London PM fix. According to Global Money Management, the price is far higher than a year ago. The price 1 year ago was $666.84 an ounce. The report showed that despite a drop in the price in May, starting in mid-June, the price has been on the rise. Gold remained less volatile than other commodities or precious metals. According to Natalie Dempster, World Gold Council Investment Research Manager, there was a downward correction in the gold price in April, but this proved short-lived. And in other asset management news, ING Investment Management in India has launched India's first multi-manager global commodity equity fund. The fund will be named ING Optimics Global Commodities Fund. The primary objective of the scheme is to achieve long-term capital growth by investing primarily in units of global commodity-oriented mutual funds. ING Investment Management India Managing Director and CEO Vineet Vora is taking a cue from the institutional investors and wants to retail investors to invest in commodity-related equities, especially in fall equity markets and high inflation. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Asset Management channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.